Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install, connect, and use StrixXControl, a customizable gamepad app that turns your phone into a controller for PC games. Step 1. Download the servers. Here, you can see the Dropbox page where you can download the server files. The link to this page is also available in the video description below for easy access. You can also download the server directly from the app itself by going to the Extras menu and tapping the Download button. Step 2. Installing the server. First, locate the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. You'll need to extract this zip file before proceeding. Right-click on the file and select Extract All, or use any extraction tool you have. Once extracted, open the folder to find the server installation files. In this folder, you'll see several files. The first one is an executable file for the mouse and keyboard layouts. You can install this by simply double-clicking the exe file to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll find a shortcut on your desktop for easy access. For Xbox layouts users, there's an important driver called GYro that you need to install. This driver is necessary for the Xbox layout to function properly. Just double-click it and follow the prompts to install it. You'll also find zip files labeled for 32-bit and 64-bit Xbox layouts. You'll need to choose the zip file that matches your system architecture. After selecting the appropriate zip file, extract it. Inside, you'll find the GYro driver and the Xbox layout server executable. You don't need to install the Xbox layout server. You can run it directly by double-clicking the Xbox layout server exe file. To make it easier for future use, you can create a shortcut for the Xbox layout server.exe on your desktop. Step 3. Connecting to the server. With the server running, open the StrixXControl app on your phone. As we mentioned earlier, there are two types of layouts, mouse and keyboard layouts and Xbox layouts, each with its own server. Both servers have a similar interface, with a Start Server button and a Stop Server button. You'll also see your PC's IP address displayed in the server window. When connecting to the mouse and keyboard layout server, once you enter the IP address in the app, and press Connect, the app will confirm the connection, by showing a message saying that you're connected. Remember, both your phone and PC need to be on the same Wi-Fi network, or you can use your phone's hotspot for a smoother connection. The Xbox layout server works a little differently. After entering your PC's IP address in the app, you won't see a connection confirmation right away. To actually connect, open any Xbox layout in the app and press any button on the screen. Once you do this, your phone's IP address will appear in the connected devices list in the Xbox layout server window. Step 4. Testing the app. Now that we've successfully connected StrixXControl to the server, let's test the app to ensure everything is working properly. We'll begin by testing the mouse and keyboard layouts, followed by the Xbox layouts. To start, go to the Play page in the app. Ensure PC layouts or mouse and keyboard layouts is selected. Press the plus button to create a new layout. You can name your layout whatever you like, then hit Apply and open it by clicking on it. Now, let's test the layout. Simply move your finger on the touchpad section, and you should see the pointer moving on your PC screen. Now let's test buttons. First, toggle edit mode by pressing the edit button in the top center of the layout. You'll see some buttons appear at the bottom: Add, Edit, Settings, and Delete. To add a button, click the Add button. A list of button types will appear. For now, let's select the first option, which is a normal button. Click on it to add it to your layout. To edit a button, simply touch it. You'll see it highlight in orange, indicating it's selected. Now, click the Edit button at the bottom. A window will pop up where you can modify the button's text and keybind. Okay, here's a layout where we've already added 3 buttons. Now, let's test these buttons using a keyboard tester website. As I press each button, you'll see the corresponding key presses displayed on the screen. And now, let's move on to testing the Xbox layouts. In the app, select an Xbox layout or create a new one. You can choose any layout you'd like to test. To test the Xbox layout, we'll use the hardware tester website. It shows real-time input from the controller, so you can easily verify that everything is working. As I press buttons and move the joysticks, you'll see the inputs appear on the website. This lets you check if all buttons and joystick movements are working properly. And now, let's jump straight into the gameplay.
But sometimes it means she's got a little more horsepower in the engine, you know what I mean? Or sometimes both. And it certainly highlights a few possible new meanings to the phrase mustache ride. Te amo, abuelita. This next jam was my grandma's favorite.
Heads up, we got a turret.
I got a target carrying submachine guns. The drone is up. Spotting another tango. Hey, sniper on the roof. Makes 5.
They're on us. Stick quiet.
Los puntos de educativos están creciendo. ¡Manden esta pinche patrulla! Ya llegaron estos guayas y el apoyo.
We got enemy reinforcements incoming. They're coming this way. Grenade! Take cover.
Fucking hell!
Okay, I'm gonna give this one my best shot. Okay, here I go.
I can feel it. The exhilaration on the back. You've been slacking off on your training, boy. Perhaps I should test your muscle memory.
Go right ahead, Vegeta. I'm ready when you are.
Fired up now.
All right, let's do it.
Don't test me!
I'm starting to feel as strong as I used to be. Thanks for all your help.
Still got